Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video I've been showing you how to make the gluten-free billionaire cupcake, and that was a recipe tutorial that I've been showing you how to make. Now in this recipe tutorial it's a kind of a muffin one, and I am going to be showing you how to make the M&M muffins. So if you haven't got the ingredients, pause the video now and head to the shops to go and what you need. Then in this recipe, mix in 120 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of caster sugar, 200 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt, which is a quarter teaspoon of salt, and baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon. And sieve all the ingredients in a large bowl. And then mix the dry ingredients together. And then in a separate bowl, mix the wet ingredients, which is 120 ml of milk, 100 grams of melted butter, 2 eggs cracked up, and also 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This one is for Moroccan almond extract instead of the vanilla extract one. Once the wet ingredients has been added, combine those wet ingredients until it is well mixed. Then next on the recipe is to add wet ingredients to the dry and mix both the ingredients until it forms like a smooth batter. Lastly, you should gently fold in 100 grams of M&Ms. And then put the muffin mixture in a muffin cases. These are the muffin mixture. This is a muffin mixture that has been divided into 12 muffin paper liners. Now the muffins will be put into the oven for 180 for 20 minutes. And to pause the video now to say what the muffins will look like after being baked in the oven. These are the M&M muffins that have been baked in the oven for 20 minutes and that after it's been done in the oven. So, if you like this recipe tutorial that I've been showing you today, don't forget to give this video some thumbs up so I know you like this recipe tutorial, and don't also forget to hit the subscribe button so you get some other recipe tutorials on what you want. So in this next recipe tutorial, bye. And also comment down what other recipe tutorials you'd like to see.